Imagine agonizing over fixed deposit rates just to earn an extra 150 ringgit, completely unaware you already have 600 ringgit sitting forgotten in a government vault. You aren't alone. Over 13 billion ringgit in abandoned personal wealth is quietly accumulating right now in the Unclaimed Monies Trust. Here is how your financial footprint gets left behind. You move apartments, and that old utility deposit just never gets refunded. Or you change jobs, and a payroll account sits idle for 7 years. By law, that dormant cash is swept directly into the accountant general's vault. Because human brains obsess over acquiring new income, we completely ignore our old financial footprints, letting them pile into a massive personal reserve. But you don't have to leave it there. The eGUMIS portal isn't just another government site. It is the master key to instantly unlock your specific forgotten vault. Just enter your IC number to search their database for free. The easiest, highest return financial move you make this year might not be a new investment, but simply taking 60 seconds to finally reclaim the exact money you completely forgot you already owned.